In this video, I want to show you how to use the Partner Affiliate Portal at partners.imagebuildingmedia.com. And we're going to talk about the custom links, the commissions, and more. So it's really easy to use the Partner Portal. So first thing you do, just go to partners.imagebuildingmedia.com, and then you log in. Put your username, your password, click log in. It's going to take you to your dashboard. Now I've got a test account just set up right here. You'll see that it's earned $14.50 in commissions, and you can see that information here. Just take you through this really quick. First of all, you can click on marketing materials, and then you've got two sections here. First of all, you've got QR codes. So you can, we've got QR codes and the links set up here for these pages, some of the major pages with Image Building Media and also with Expert Realty Marketing. And just pick any one of those and click display QR code, and you can download this image to your computer, and then you can share it wherever you would like. It's also got here the code if you want the code to be posting it on your website or something like that. It's got the code right here. Just copy and paste, and that will display the code for you. So the second thing is now we've got links here that are already pre-made for you. Again, you see the list right here, and just click choose what you want, click display links, and here you see is your link for this page on Image Building Media for your website and marketing analysis. This is your link, and all you do, just like any affiliate program, you just take that and you can just paste that to test it. You'll see where it goes, and you can get your link out on social media, email, you can put it on websites, etc. like that. Now, to make it even easier, here is the HTML code that if you want to put this, for example, if you want to put it in an HTML email where they just click it right in your email and can go straight to the page using your link. If you want to put it on web pages, whatever it might be. So this is the code that you use right here. All right, so we've got custom tracking links here. We've got some reports. We've got some keyword tracking links. Most of you aren't going to use these things, but the important thing is alternate incoming page links. So here you can go to our websites, and you can go to any page that you want. Say this is the Image Building Media website. You can go to any page, whether on Image Building Media or Expert Realty Marketing, and you can put that link in here, and you can click Create My Link, and here is your link right there. So you can go to any of our websites, you can go to any of our pages, and you can create a link to any of them, and there you go, you've got it right there. So we made that really super easy. Training materials, we've got a little bit of information there. The system's so easy, most of you aren't even going to look at it. We've got your information on your commissions. We've got your current commissions there. We've got pending approval, which you may not have anything there, and also paid. Once you begin to have commissions paid out, you'll be able to see those there. And additionally, you can see your history and even your traffic log. So you can see even here today, the two links that I used to go to the websites, you can see the information right here. So this will give you information like where you're getting your links from that's working best for you. And so we've got that there. You can even click to export this in a CSV so you can have it and use it and do some analysis there. All right, so super easy to use, and just let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach out here at the bottom, contact us, You can always reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you with whatever you need. And you can always go to support.imagebuildingmedia.com. I'll go in and put that up here on the screen. Support.imagebuildingmedia.com. And you can submit a ticket here at any time, and we'll be happy to help you. All right, thanks so much, and have a great day.